Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can request a payment on Payoneer. At first, log into your account. From there you're going to see something called Get Paid, so just click on this one, and then you see two options here. We're going to click on Request a Payment. From there you have to submit either one of these, so just click on one of them, and before that you should see some options like what is your business related to and everything. Just fill up all of this information. You can also just put random things if you aren't connected with any business or anything. After that, you can either put your business profile or your NID, government issued photo ID, over here. Once you press submit, they will give you like an option where you can request it via their customer ID or through their email. So you have to put the email or ID of the person from whom you want to request the payment from, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.